Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to pin Deepl to your taskbar or Windows. In this case guys, you don't need to have the extension, you don't need to open the web browser, but you need the application itself. Well, to have it, you need to go to deepl.com, click on download, and this will help you to have the application installed on your PC. As you will be seeing here, it is basically a successful installed for me, and this is the application. So you would need to either like log in or basically start selecting text. So for example, now you need to understand that DeepL is not going to be in your taskbar. So what you need to do to actually add it to your taskbar or to put it in your basically to your taskbar, simply just go to here, recently added application, and pin to start. Now if I close this and I close this one as well, quit, and let me just open it again. So I'm pin from start, and here we go, and here pin to start. So now as you can see, it is now added here. You can literally now move it around and basically link it to this area, and now it is pinned to my taskbar. So whenever I want to open it, I don't really have to go to my desktop. I don't really need to open Windows here and search for it. I'm simply gonna go ahead here and click on it, and this should open the application for me. So it is easier, and basically it is basically just as a shortcut. So now we can use like the shortcut, like as if Control double C to actually translate automatically. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like click on this one. So select it, click on Control double C, and as you can see, automatically it should translate the actual text for me. It's very easy and simple. So yeah, this is basically it for today's video, guys. This is exactly how you can pin DeepL to your taskbar. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe and leave us a beautiful comment. And see you guys in the next upcoming video.